Hello guys, welcome to my channel Easy Learning. In this video, we'll learn kinds of accounts and golden rules of accounting and how to apply those rules. Now coming to our first point, that is kinds of accounts. In kinds of accounts, we're going to study under English system. Under English system, we have two types. That is personal account and impersonal account. Under personal account, we again have three classification. First one, that is natural person. This is an account of natural person. Now, second one, it is artificial person. And third one, it is representative person. So we have three accounts. Accounts of natural person, account of artificial person, account of representative person. Now under impersonal account, we have two types. First one, that is real account, that is account of real account. Second one, that is accounts of nominal account. Now let us study what it means of natural person. Person account. So in natural person account, it is an account of individuals. Point 1. And point 2, it concerns with the person who with whom the transaction is done or dealt with. For example, Rama's account, Sita account, and Akbar account, etc. Now let's study what it means by artificial person. Accounts of artificial person means it deals with business concern, banks, government. For example, Canara Bank account, SBI account, or only bank account, or there might be any national college account. Now coming to the third one, that is representative account. So what does representative means? These are the accounts which represents the natural person. These accounts represent natural person. So they are not a real person, they are artificial person. They just represent them. For example, bills of exchange, um, bills of exchange, interest received, commission received, prepaid salary. Okay, now let's learn about impersonal account. So under this we have two types. Let us study about real account. So in real account, it means that these accounts or the assets owned by the assets owned by a business concern. For example, cash account, machine account, or goodwill, patent. And here, in real account, we again have two classifications. Real account, we have two classification. Those are tangible account and intangible account. So under tangible account, it concerns with those which are tangible, means which can be seen. For example, cash, machine, vehicle. These are the intangible assets. Their presence can be felt, but they are not cannot be seen. For example, goodwill, patent. These are actually the rights. So now the third one, that is nominal account. So these are the accounts. It usually records, not usually, it records expenses, losses, gains, and incomes. So okay, I hope that you're familiar with these. Now let us take an example. So I'm gonna write a question here and we're gonna solve those. So here it's not like we're gonna get numbers. I'm just gonna write some account and we're gonna have to classify them. Now the capital account. So capital account is actually an investment from a person, right? So it belongs to investment. It's from a person. So it belongs to a personal account. So now let us take a purchase. So what are purchase? Purchase means we purchase some goods from other people, right? Purchasing goods. So it is actually an asset which is tangible. So it belongs to real account. Here we actually take real account, nominal account and personal account. We don't write artificial or natural. These are just the subtypes. And now let's take cash. The same thing. Cash is an asset. It's tangible. So it belongs to real account. Now Vishwa account. So yes, Vishwa is a person. So it is an personal account. Next, goodwill. We just learned that goodwill is actually a sorry, my mistake. It's a real account because it's an intangible asset. It's a right. So it belongs to real account. Now, let us take salary account. So salary, for our company, salary is an expense, right? So it's an expense. So it belongs to nominal. So it is in nominal account.